जय गुरुदत्ता। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं रामनाम वरानने. In the Palashruti of Vishnu Sahasranama, Lord Shiva says to Parvati that Ramanama is equal to the chanting of the 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. Whoever who just think of Sri Rama or just repeat his name, they will be merged in bliss. Ramayana is a model for all human beings to live as real human beings. It's a moral story that changes the character of every person, how to live and how to love and how to better the life. This is the essence of Sri Rama and Ramayana. The 24,000 shlokas of Ramayana are equal to the 24 letters of Gayatri Mantra. The persons who just read the Ramayana or listen to Ramayana, they are automatically doing the japa of Gayatri. The effect is the same. There is a wonderful hidden secrets in every spiritual things that is given to us from our great rishis. Sri Swamiji is such a great power who came down to change and mold the characters of people. He, from his childhood days, doing a lot of things and making the human being going towards God. He is guiding them towards God. His methods are very simple. He never speaks a lot. He never uses tough words. He never takes such hours to explain something which is not understandable to ordinary human beings. He just speaks to the people as mother, as father, as a small boyfriend or girlfriend. The children feels my Sadguru Deva as their best friend. He comes to the level of the people and share their problems and share his divine knowledge with them. That changes the character of all the people. Shatashloki Ramayana that he made and posted in the YouTube channel has created a wonderful effect on the human and the whole world. I am very, 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 very happy that it created such a wonderful effect on the human race. People are forgetting God now. People are becoming more and more materialistic and skeptical towards gods and spiritual things. But Sri Swamiji went in their own way and showed all the modern things and modern equipments also can be used for teaching the spiritual great secrets. He brought Ramayana through iPad into such a film animation and made everyone to enjoy it. This is really wonderful. Nobody has time now to sit for long, long hours to read or listen to the stories or epics of our great rishis. Many people lost interest in that. It's pity that millions are there. They simply give lot of comments, which is also a boring thing for youngsters and children. They need something interesting. They need something to make their heart enjoy. Sri Swamiji knows the way how to reach the heart of children and the world. So this Ramayana is a wonderful video which has created such an effect in every heart. I am very, very, very happy it reached the target of his Great Sankalpa 1 million. 1 lakh. I am so happy. My heart is jumping with joy. Whenever my Swamiji makes a Sankalpa, it appears as impossible, but never it fails. It will definitely reach the target as he wants. This is another proof that a few days back, when he talked to me on the phone, he said, I want this to be watched 1 lakh times and it should be a parayana for 1 lakh. I felt very happy now it reached that target. I bow to the lotus feet of my Sadguru Deva for giving such a wonderful video and blessing us with such a wonderful spiritual energy. His name just makes me to merge in Sri Rama. Shatashloki Ramayana is continuously creating a meditative effect inside me. I thank Puttu ji for posting this wonderful video. I once again bow to the lotus feet of my Sadguru Deva, and I thank the YouTube also for posting such a wonderful video. I once again would like to share with all my friends that just utilize this wonderful video and play this a day 3 times, or how many times is possible for you. It will definitely create a wonderful vibration inside and outside of your house. All your relations becomes wonderful. All your work will get a good flow of energy. And my Sadguru Deva will bless all of you. You need a Guru to reach God. So, Guru, the first letter is G. God, the first letter is G. So, both are same. Guru is God, God is Guru. If you hold the Guru's feet, you will definitely see the God. To see the God, we have to be dogs. That means dogs are very honest and sincere to its masters. We must follow this principle that we should be honest and sincere to the lotus feet of our Sadguru Deva. He will bless us. I pray to my Sadguru Deva and offer these few words at his lotus feet. Jai Guru Datta, Shri Guru Datta.